What's going on, guys? It's Ryan again. Today we're restoring a pair of playoff 12s. They need a full cleaning inside and out, a midsole repaint, a reshape, and unyellow. These aren't the right laces. We'll have to order a new pair on eBay. The lining and tongue is also out of shape here. We'll take care of that with the iron later on. You can actually take out the insoles, and man, there was so much dirt inside and under. I started off by giving them a gentle tap on the table. Now that most of it is gone, we're going to give the shoes a light cleaning all around. There's no easy way to clean the insides. Hopefully the washing machine method will take out any dirt. For now, we must put in our shoe trees. You guys probably already know how important they are. We're going to load them inside our sneaker laundry bags, as well as the insoles. Tie them up securely, and put them on a cold cycle for 15 to 30 minutes. When the shoes are dried, the goal now is to do any final cleanings on the insides. This includes using an X-Acto knife and tape to lift off any hairs or particles. With one simple pass, we were able to get rid of all this debris. And we can't forget about the bottoms. I'm not exactly sure how this crease got here, but we can reduce that with an iron. The shirt needs to be wet, and the iron needs to be hot enough so that it produces steam. You don't want to do this for too long. There's a chance you could flatten out your texture, or you can cause separation. This is how you tackle the tongue area. And this is a quick side-by-side comparison. In order for us to repaint the midsoles, we have to remove the factory finish. There's also a few areas that need to be reglued, so we're going to prep them at the same time. And we're just using acetone. To apply the glue, I'm using half a Q-tip and rolling it in. And I use the other side to clean out any spills. Let the glue dry for at least an hour, and then you heat activate the area to 110 to 140 degrees. It should tack on instantly. Next up, we're going to lay down the white paint. White usually takes a lot of coats, so it's best to use a heat gun and go easy on the thread work. Sanding is also really important. It's going to lead to a more factory look. And now we're doing the same thing for the black paint. Now that we're done with the painting, we can take them outside and give them 2 light coats of Krylon matte finisher. For any finisher that gets on the chrome parts, you can easily clean it off with acetone. Unfortunately, I couldn't find a good spray that would recreate that mirror-like finish, so ultimately I decided to leave it the way it is. Unyellowing the shoes is going to make everything come together. We're using Salon Care 40 and Saran Wrap. They took around 8 hours total. After a certain point, it's not going to unyellow anymore. And I did this in 2 sessions. After each session, I took them out and completely scrubbed down the soles. The finisher tends to pile up in the thread area, so to fix that, we can poke out the thread holes. Now this is optional, but you can polish your shoes using tire shine. Basically, it's going to add a temporary shine to it. It's really satisfying to see it all come together. There you have it, guys. If you made it this far, please consider dropping a like down below. If you need any restoration advice, you can reach out to me down below or on IG. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.